I'm Samara Kaufmann Aviv, co-author of the Acid Watcher Cookbook. Today we are going to be making one of our favorite, simple to prepare and delicious recipes from the Acid Watcher Cookbook, and that is our Pico de Gallo salsa. When I changed my diet, I thought that I would never be able to enjoy Mexican food again. Traditionally, Mexican food is made with a lot of tomato, raw onion, hot peppers, such as jalapeno and chili peppers, and citrus. Traditional Pico de Gallo is made with raw tomato, lime juice, hot peppers such as chili peppers or jalapeno, and raw onion, cilantro, and salt. Our Pico de Gallo uses fresh tomato. Many people with acid reflux avoid tomato altogether, but raw tomato actually has a pH between 4 and 5, so is okay on the maintenance phase of the Acid Watcher diet. As opposed to tomato sauce from a can or a bottle, which is below a pH of 4 and very acidic. So to make our Pico de Gallo, we're going to take fresh, raw grape tomatoes, lime zest. Lime zest, the outer skin of the lime, is actually not acidic, as opposed to the fruit, which is very acidic. Salt, we use Celtic salt, and cilantro. We're going to take these three ingredients, the lime zest, our Celtic salt, and our chopped cilantro. We're going to add those three to the bowl, and we're just going to stir it up. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, you're just going to stir it up, and then you can cover it and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. That simple.